Hello everyone and thanks for tuning in to another video on my channel. I'm your usual host Sarasu and we are back finally with another core booster set, Darkwing Blast, the latest released core booster set. The released set before Darkwing Blast, the last core set was that Battle of Chaos? I think so. I guess. Anyway, let's blast this open real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, here we have it. I apologize, the last course it was Dimension Force. Anyway, Darkwing Blast, as the name says already, we have a lot of Blackwing new Blackwing support in here. Blackwings are played by Crow Hogan from the 5Ds era. So let's see what we can pull off this new support. Stille Wolf Kalupo, alright. Geneigter Entrainment, alright. Frühlingshilfe in volle Blüte, Ninjutsu Kunst der tanzenden Blätter, the Goatee Zorn. This was a new archetype in Dimension Force, Goatee. The Gurkenpferde, the Cucumber Horse, probably not the correct translation. It's a Pickle Rick, basically. Fluch von Adamatir, Schwarzschatten Windböe, that's a new one. For the Blackwing support at least. And Tränenklage Schrei. Okay. Wahrsageprinzessin Bibliomuse. Alright. Amazonisches Schoßtier Ligerkönig. Shouldn't that be called Tigerkönig? Sterne begegnen sich über die Münchstraße. Bayer Rock. Oh, nice. Bavarian Stone Dragon. No. Ninjutsu Kunst, Schriftrolle der Geheimnisse. Ultra Rare. Originales Bambusschwert. Okay. Drachenpendel, Salamander, Katalysator and amazonische Goldpeitschenmeister. It seems like a new Amazonis support is also in here. Don't know when was the last time Amazonis cards did get the support. I only know the Amazonis cards from Magician's Force, and this is a long time ago. And Challenge Loch from Golgonda. Right. Oh, that's the number CEC1000 Numeronius in the background there. Kashtira Ogre. Yorishiru des Wassers. This artwork we had before. This is a pretty old card. I guess the original one is from Labyrinth of Nightmare. This is probably the remake. Lachender Papageitaucher. Abgeheuerlicher Saruni. Oh, he looks badass. I like this one. Unterweltritual der Wahrsagerei. Naturia Maulwurfsgrille. Naturia Segen und amazonische Geheimkünste. Okay. Another Blackwing support. Schwarzflügel Sonder die Dämmerung. Alright. Schreckensklaven Niedergang. Amazonische Spiritualistin. Himmlische Vorrichtung Tesea. Und Baku der Ungeheuer Ninja. This is probably for the Ninjutsu cards. Nudelwendetechnik. Oh yes. Kashtira Vorbereitung. Turbo befleckte Hot Rod GT19. Oh my god. Schwarzflüge Zwillingsschatten. What a name, GT19. Die Friki, die runischen Zähne. Okay, für die Runic Archetype, Frühlingshilfe in volle Blüte, die Tigerkönigin, Amazonische Augusta, oh, nice. Simul Erzunterwäldler, okay. Interesting. Gonna read through that later. Schreckensclown Doppelsäge, Goatee Kosmos, Seelenschere. Oh, that looks bad. Menacing, very fitting for Halloween. And Königin der Unterwelt, Salmon. This is also a remake, because there's the Terror King Salmon already. That's a normal monster, level 5, I believe. Or level 6. Level 5 or level 6. Amazonisches Tierkönigin, Naturia Kamille. Oh. Kashtira Ogre. Lachender Papageitag. Ein Donnerdolch Felsöldner. So. Okay. Can't really tell what that should be. Salamander, Katalysator, Unterwelt, Lilithal der Wahrsagerei, Drachenpendel, ein Tränenklagen, Herzschlag. Schreckensclown, Niedergang. Wahrsagerprinzessin, Bluse, Tränenklagen, Gram. Okay. Yorishiro des Wassers, again this one. And a secret rare. That I can't really figure out what that should be. There's a face. Okay. No, I see where's the front and where's the back. Flammende Cartesia, die Tugendhafte. Okay, first secret rare. Don't know if that's good or bad or whatever, but it's a secret rare, and we like secret rares, as always. Let's take the secret rares over there. Alright, Kaschtierer Vorbereitungen, Salamander Katalysator, Ninjutsu Kunstinstrument Eisengräber, and Psi-Vagabund. Wow. Where did you came from now? All with Schreckensclown and whatever, and then all of a sudden a wild Psi monster appears out of this set. Okay, Challenge Schlacht von Golgonda. What does this actually do? Okay, nothing with Numeron. Geneigter Entrainment. Sterne begegnen sich über der Milchstraße, himmlische Verrichtung, Thesia, markiertes Ungeheuer. Vogel. Drachenpendel, Tränenklagen, Herzschlag, Tränenklagen, Schrei und amazonische Goldpeitschenmeisterin. Pendulum. Pendulum-Monsters. Not for me, thank you very much. Hanji Kyudo Geist. Kagero die Kanonen, ja. Okay. Geneigter Entrainment, amazonische Silberschwertmeisterin and Rex, Frachtfelsöldner. Oh man, that looks like the small dinosaur from the TV series, the dinosaurs. Wasn't that TV series called that way? Exib, Omen des Goatee, vor die Goatees, originales Bambusschwert, amazonische Goldpeitschenmeisterin und Machtkampf der Star-Brigade. Wie auch immer. Ups, that was German. Anyway, Stiller Wolf Kalupo, amazonische Kriegsanführerin, alright. Die Bavarian Rock Dragon, Schwarzflügel, Sonder die Dämmerung und Schrecken in der versteckten Stadt. That's interesting. Gonna read through that later. Also, Goatee Kosmos, Newtonkunst, Schwarzschott Mündbö in Seelenschere. Die Soul Scissors, probably. Not the Soul Sisters, the Soul Scissors, you know. Schwarzflügel Sonne, again. Himmlische Vorrichtung. Sehr Friki, die runischen Ziehen, amazonische Silberschwertmeisterin and Sprite. Kreuzfeuer, Crossfire, Sprite Crossfire, alright. Oh, die Pickle Rake. Schreckensklare Doppelsäge, Naturia Segen und Königin der Unterwelt. Salomon, I'm sorry. Had to make space in my stomach. Tobari, der Himmelsjörn. Now it's there. Amazonische Spiritualistin, Friki, die runischen Zähne, Wasserprinzessin und Frühlingshilfe der umnebelten Setzlinge. No. That cute. Remembers me of a little toy I had when I was a child. It was a little toy, but it was actually a pretty big toy. It was a giant goose. And this was my favorite toy. I don't know if this is somewhere around here. Maybe I find it later. Originales Bambusschwert, Nudelwendetechnik, Schwarzflügel Zwingenschatten und Naturia Segen. Oh, that was a big truck running by here. Don't know if you hear that. Now it's gone. Amazonische Kriegsanführerin Kagero, amazonische Augusto, amazonische Silberschwertmeisterin und Kaschtierer Fenrir. Okay. Looks like that's the head. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna take its level 7. Level 8 would be nice, because if I don't control any monsters, I can special summon this card from my hand. It would be nice if it had level 8, because then I could use that in another deck of mine, which relies on level 8 Xyz monster, but it's also Psi, so... Nah, I don't know. Don't need that. Xyz, Omen des Gothic, Amazonische Game Günste, Training Klar Hedgehog, and in die New Zukunft whatsoever. 24 packs, as usual here. 24 packs, 2 secret rares as always, and most of the time 4 ultra rares, and the remainings are super rares. Training is this ultra? Yes. Arionpos, Schlange des Gothic. Oh, that looks cool. I like that. Generic super monster. Interesting. Okay. Flugfahrende Mathieu, Psi-Vagabund, Nudelwächte Technik, Trennklagen, Herzschlag. You know, opening packs never goes boring. I don't know. That's just, you know, so rip that open, always nice. Wahrsager Prinzessin, Blümuse, Schreckensclown, whatever, Amazonische Augusta, Yorishiro des Wassers, and Schwarzflügel, Sudri der Phantomschimmer. Oh. Cool. This probably needs one of my friends, this card. So I take this aside. I don't need it. Unterwelt der Trash, Lexicon, Salamander, Katasata, and Kastira for Mirato. Oh, this staple of cards gets bigger and bigger. Alright. Sterne begegnen sich über der Milchstraße. Again, Natural Company, Entscheidungsschlacht von Golgonda, lachender Papageitaucher, Ente markierter Wiedergewinn. Okay. Der Goatee thing and our Soul Scissors. Freaky. Die New Zukunft der tanzenden Blätter, amazonisches Whatever, Hanji Kyuno-Geist and Shamisen Samsara Sorgenkatze. Oh mein Gott. Okay. Why not? Oh, die Turbo-befleckte Hot Rod G19, die Pickle Rig, Schwarzflügel Whatever, and the Salomon. No, the Salomon was something different. Let's take out the last remaining packs, because it's much easier for me to grab them then. Okay, Amazonische Silberschwertmeisterin. And, oh, we didn't hit that before. Wahrsager Prinzessin Tarot Tray. I don't know if you wanna say it more cool. Okay. Interesting. Flip. What? I've never seen it's a flip monster. I've never seen a ritual flip monster. Alright, Training Lingerie, Machtkampf des Doppelgarten, Natur des Segen, Entschreckensklauen, Doppelsäge. Die Doppelsäge. Okay, Freaky again. Sterne begegnen sich in der Milchstraße. Dingens Kirchens, Hanji Kyudo-Geist, markiertes Ungeheuer, we had that before. Unterbildritual der Whatever, Schwarzvögel, Schwarzschotten, ein Salamander, Katalysator. Okay. 5 packs left. 5 packs left of the whole display. Kastiro, amazonische Kriegsanführerin, Entscheidungsschlacht von Golgonda, Kagero die Kanonenlinie, Schwarzvögel, Chinook, die Schneeböe. Alright. This is gonna probably also a card one of my friends need. Fluch von Armatieren, Ninja Kunstinstrument, originales Bambusschwert und Tränenklagen, Herzschlag. My one of my friends wants to build a Blackwing deck, and he definitely needs this new support. Anyway, geneigter Enjoyment. Schenkslauen Niedergang, der Bavarian Rock Dragon, Yugioh des Wassers, and Schwarzfeder Wirbelwind. He probably also gonna need this, and I take this aside too. Naturia Marbles Grille, Kastiere Vorbereitung, die Pickle Rig, and Machtkampf der Stammbrigade. Sterne gegen sich in Nüchtern, Kagero, Nishetisia, Training Gaum, and what's that? Oh, that looks cool. Wallow, Gründer der Arbeitsdrachen. 2 monsters, level 6. What can he do? Monsters you control gain for every card in the grave of your opponent 100 decay and death. Okay. Quick effect, you can target 1 card in your opponent's graveyard. 1 or 2 materials of this card detached, and then activate 1 of these effects. Okay, put it back into the deck, and if the targeted card is a monster, special summon is it on my side on the field, in attack position, or in the face down defense position. If not, okay, I can just set it on my side. That's cool. That's very cool. Gonna take this aside too, because I probably have use for that. Tränklage Schrein, Natur Malus-Grille, originales Bombenschwert, und Nudelwendetechnik. Die Nudel. You wanna know what noodle means? Noodle is actually the same word in English. It's noodle. Noodles. We say in Germany, we say to noodles, we say Nudel or Nudeln. That's almost the same, just we write it with a U and not with 2 O's. That's the only difference. Kastiro, the Bavarian Rock Dragon, Amazonische Augusta, Yugioh des Wassers, and he's, he looks mad. Oh my god, this second SiCaTra, der Abgeheuerliche, not der Geheuerliche, no, he's the bad one, the Abgeheuerliche, oh my god. He looks like a Transformer to me, mixture between a dragon and a Transformer. Okay. Cannot be normal summon, must be special summoned from your hand or your grave by tributing 1 dark dragon monster of level 6 or higher. Schmäler dragon monster. If it only would be any monster level 6, but it has. But wait, no, this is zombie. Almost. For what is this also? Where does this find use? For the branded stuff. Oh, okay, I don't care. Fluch für Anamatie. Goatee Cosmos, Psi-Vagabund, and Unterweltritual der Wahrsagerei, and 1 pack left. And we are through. That shit. No. It was a good set. It's some really nice cards in here. I have to say that. Stiller Wolf, Kalupo, Entscheidungsschlacht von Gorgon, Natubari, Naturia. Oh, he looks cool. Snowpios, Schatten des Goatee. Cool. Drachenpendel, okay. Amazonische geheime Künste, Xyb, Ruben des Goatee, Turboflector, Hotshot G19. Again, this one. Alright. Okay. Maybe I find this you know what I talked about earlier. I had a play toy that looked almost exactly like this one. I quickly go and search for that. Okay, maybe it doesn't look like that on the card. The big one. The big one looks like that. It looks almost like that. Okay, it looks like that's it. That's it. What I talked about. This was my favorite toy as a child. I remember this duck here. That's very fucked up already. But anyway, doesn't matter. So that's it for the video today. My usual words. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time. Goodbye.